Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This was actually inspired by pink lemonade. I've just been inspired by a lot of like drinks and fruits and like things that I would have during the summer, and pink lemonade is one of them, and I really love how this came out. It is, again, out of my comfort zone. I've just been really into like really colorful looks lately. It's just been really fun to do. One thing I did not mention in this tutorial is that I'm wearing some falsies. They are really dramatic, but I like them. They don't look so dramatic on camera, but in person they're kind of like dramatic. And they are these Cara Wispies. I got them in my Shop Hush haul for free because I spent a certain amount of money. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so we're just going to jump right in and start priming the eyelids. I'm using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and just applying that to my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend it all out with my finger. My eyebrows are done. I did them off camera just to save some time. I thought I'd mention that real quick. So now I'm going in with some washi and I'm just lining that up with my eye and eyebrow so I can get that really crisp line because I want a crisp line like I just said. And I'm going to be doing winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take this pink blush, literally called Pink, from the LORAC Pro To Go palette. I like this blush because it just gives like a nice wash of pink to the crease or your face. And it's just a really good crease color for what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm just applying this in the crease like I said. Next, I'm using Strawberry Bonbon from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. This is a lighter pink, but I wanted to just blend the blush color a little more and up towards the brow bone because I didn't really do that as much, and I just wanted to keep it nice and soft. Next, I'm taking Flirt from the Aphrodite palette, and I'm just putting this really in the crease with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush from the Modern Renaissance palette. And once I sketch out the area that I want it to be in, I'm just blending it out. And I actually went in with this color a couple of times because it wasn't getting as vibrant as I wanted it to be. So this took a little bit, and I just built up the color as best as I can and got it to where I wanted it. So I actually went in with a Morphe brush just to get it really vibrant, and I actually loved all the color combinations. And this look, I think the pinks came out really pretty. And I actually did a pink look without using the ShanXO palette, which I was kind of proud of myself because I've been using that palette a lot in a lot of tutorials, I felt like. So next, I'm going in with Mischeif from the Yes Please palette from ColourPop, and I'm just patting this on the eye. This took a lot of work as well because this color can be pretty patchy, so I had to build it up as best as I can. Like with the pinks, I just did it the best of my ability. And now I'm just blending everything together so it looks nice. And now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula liquid liner. I will have all the correct names down below. The name for this is really long. And I am just making a wing. And surprisingly, I got my wings really good this day. I was proud of myself. So next I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner. It's just a white eyeliner, and I'm putting this in my waterline just to open up the eyes a little bit and make them look more awake. And they kind of give that like doll eye effect when you use white. I love white eyeliner in the waterline. So now I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, and I'm wearing falsies. And now I'm going in with Sexer from Kat Von D. This lipstick is so pretty, and I think it looks really good with this look. I don't know, what do you guys think? I've never used this lipstick before, but I really like it with this look. that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see me do next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!